Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Zvonko from Honest Marketing Tips, and this is one of the new series that I am starting that is called like Quick Wins in SEO or other digital marketing skills. Basically, this will be a very short format video which will teach you a very nice skill that you can implement immediately in few minutes with free tools, hopefully. So today's topic is optimizing images for SEO. SEO stands for the search engine optimization, and in today's world Google is very restrictive with page speed, and page speed actually influences the search engine optimization and your ranking in the search engines. So I will find a very big image. The problem that I want to address today is that most people find big images on the internet or download the images from the camera or the mobile camera and then just upload it like that to their websites. There are 2 or 3 free tools that we can use for a better SEO optimization. First one will compress the image and make sure that it is doesn't lose the quality, but compresses the image size so it's much smaller and much more optimized, especially for mobile devices. The other is so-called image GeoTagger, which you can geographically tag your images, so your search results for that geographic location will turn back your image, and when people find your image, they will find your website. So without further ado, let's get started. I will get my images from the Pexels.com, which is a nice tip because this is one of the royalty-free site. You can search any topic and you can get like videos and photos. You can filter by vertical, horizontal, whatever size you need. Like I said, all these images you can use free of charge on your website. So let's download one of these images. Let's see this one. It's a pretty big image, as you can see, for 5,000 pixels. So I will just download it. So I downloaded the images to my computer. As a first step, I will resize that big image we just downloaded from Pexels. So just upload it to online-image-resizer.com, and you can resize it to somewhat 1140 pixels, which is like a usual size. Make sure that keep aspect ratio is selected. So click resize and download, and then you can download this image to your disk. It will be called hnet.com-image.jpg. So the second tool I am going to be using is so-called compressor.io, which will compress your image to save file size. So we will upload the image that we just downloaded, and as you can see, it compressed from almost 600 kilobytes to 65. Now we will download this image and save it to the disk. And the third tool that we will be using for this is called geoimagr.com. You can click start now and you can upload your image, the smaller compressed one here. The place search is not free, so if we want, you can just zoom in somewhere, for example New York, and just click to add a pin. This will add geotags to the image. You can add keywords and tags or alternative text to the EXIF of the image. So the next step is to click on write EXIF tags, and the last step is to download the image. Okay, and that's it. You have now we started with 3.6 megabyte image. We resized it to respect the aspect ratio. We compressed it from 600 kilobytes to 65 kilobytes, and then we add a geolocation. Of course, you can add the proper one. I just faked this one. and all these will help you to achieve better rankings in search results and image search. I hope this helped. If you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. It will help a lot to make this channel grow and make other useful videos.